Okay, also with that, before it gets to NCR potentially and/or throughout the life of the project, contractors will submit RFIs, requests for information. You guys have that as part of your design build process? Okay, well, the thing there is that they may just want clarification of your plans, clarification of what your standards are. Again, if you're in Region 4 and you're in Region 1, they heard this is what you did in 4, and this is how you're interpreting in 1. RFIs are not necessarily bad, but they may try to bury you with them, which means what to your staffing and resources, and to Leah's group again. So you may want to limit how many they can submit on a weekly basis. One example we did on some projects, contractors trying to do that, which every submittal for an RFI was a priority one in their name. No, you just say you prioritize them on a weekly basis. Every week you give it to us, and you come up with new ones and or the old ones, you prioritize them, and otherwise it goes to the bottom of the pile. So again, think process, and to process them for your staffing and resources identified for your project. Give yourself time to work through that stuff. And hopefully you have information available, hard copy and or electronic, readily available to help you get a quick response.